Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be filming a what I eat in a day. I love filming these videos for you guys and just showing you what I'm really loving at the moment, different recipes, and just giving you guys some really good ideas for simple, healthy, nutritious, and easy to make meals. So I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video. Already this morning I've had my warm water with lemon. You guys probably know I love that first thing in the morning. I have that along with fresh water as well, and I love to just really hydrate myself first thing in the morning to really wake my body up. And lemon juice also gives you a little boost of vitamin C as well, which is super important for everything in your body, including for your skin. Vitamin C is actually the precursor for producing collagen, so it's super important. And I also made myself a little greens powder juice, and I had that as I was getting ready this morning, and now I'm ready for breakfast. Okay, so for breakfast I've really been loving a frittata. It's a really fun way to have eggs and veggies in a slightly different way than I usually have them, and this is a really great thing to meal prep as well. You can do this the night before, and I love that it has so many veggies inside as well. So we've got red bell pepper, green bell pepper, mushrooms, a little red onion, some garlic, lots of spinach. Zucchini also works really well for this, so just use whatever veggies you like. And then here I've got my eggs. I'm going to use 6 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of plant-based milk. I'm going to whisk that together. But first I'm going to chop up the veggies, fry them, add in the spinach, and then I will put in the eggs. Okay, so here is my egg frittata ready with my avocado toast. So what I actually like to do is just split this in half. I will pop one on this one and one on that one. Probably not the most beautiful presentation, but this is so delicious. Videos, I often get asked like, what motivates you to keep eating healthy? How are you not craving like more sugary things, more processed things? I think for me, what really motivates me, and especially what really helped me early on in my journey to living a healthier lifestyle, is just understanding my body and seeing my body from the inside. I sometimes think about it as if you got a beautiful car, a car that you've always wanted. It's not only beautiful, but it's also functional. It gets you to where you need to go, you feel safe in it, and of course you need to put fuel in the car for it to function. So imagine you went to the gas station, and instead of putting fuel or gas, you would put like Coca-Cola or rocks or I don't know, like salt water or something like that. That is not going to make that car run properly. It needs proper fuel for it to function and for you to take care of your car essentially, so that you can do everything that you need to do with your car. Sometimes I think about it like that, and it's kind of just like second nature now, where I kind of visualize like the inside of my body and all the linings of my digestive system, you know, like my stomach, my intestines, my gut, and I just want to take care of all of those things the best that I can. And I also know that when I am eating healthy, I am taking care of myself, I'm moving my body, I'm getting enough sleep, I just feel so good, and then I can do good, you know, I can work well, I just feel better in general, and I can do more, and I just feel like life is so good when I'm taking care of myself. For me, that's a huge motivation, because why would I want to live another way? Of course, I don't eat 100% clean. You guys know that. I love like an 80-20 kind of principle. It's not something that I personally have to like calculate and be too specific about, but that's just what I naturally crave. But my point is, in general, I don't think you need to be 100% super healthy for you to have those super healthy feelings in your body, because the soul and sweet things and all of that is also good for our bodies, because it makes us feel good, it's calming, but of course in balance and in moderation, especially right now with the holiday season. It is middle of December, but again, it's something that I love to balance out with other healthy foods, so that I'm still taking care of my body, my gut, and our gut health and our microbiome is especially important to be taken care of this time of year, because most of our immune system actually lives and is controlled by our gut health. So a healthy, strong gut means a better immune system, which is so important now during the winter time. It's also, again, the holidays. We're seeing more people. A lot of us are traveling more as well to go home and see our families. And we want to keep everyone healthy and strong so that we can enjoy all of those things without feeling like we're going to get sick or feel low. So taking care of our immune system and our gut health is so important. One thing that is incredible for your microbiome are cruciferous vegetables. So vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These foods actually contain compounds that your gut bacteria can eat and break down and metabolize and turn them into beneficial nutrients that are going to strengthen your gut, strengthen your immune system. Another thing our gut bacteria love are polyphenols. And if you guys are going to any holiday parties or hosting any holiday dinners or just going out to restaurants and you're in the mood for wine or a cocktail, try to opt for a red wine that is high in natural polyphenols. It's a little bit of a healthier choice. Also, if you're craving something sweet, then try to opt for a fiber-rich sweet food. So something that includes like berries or any pie that has fruit like apple, so like apple pie. So you get that nice sweetness, but you're also pairing it with some fiber that is really going to help that sweetness to break down in a much more calm and balanced way than having like straight up sugar without any fiber at all. Also, another great way to support your gut health and your microbiome is to take a high quality probiotic. This is going to introduce and help promote good bacteria in your gut. My favorite one, and the one that I really trust, is from Seed. This is their Daily Symbiotic. So this is actually a probiotic and a prebiotic. So again, the probiotics are the good bacteria, and then the prebiotic is the food that those good bacteria eat. So you get both in one capsule. And the reason I love this and would highly recommend it is because the bacteria are guaranteed to survive all the way down to your gut. And that is a problem with most probiotics, is that they actually get burned up by our stomach acids, our bile salts, enzymes. But Seed's Daily Symbiotic has a 2-in-1 via cap technology, so it has this really great protective outer shell, and the second capsule within that is where the probiotics are. So it's very potent, and you can really feel the effects that this has on your body. Again, a healthy gut means a better immune system, better sleep. I see it a lot in my mood as well, in my happiness. Most of our serotonin is actually produced in our gut by our gut bacteria. So it's very important to take care of our gut microbiome, because they really do so much for our entire body, for our whole well-being. They're also just a great brand overall. If you visit their website, you can just see how passionate they are about gut health. They've got so many experts and scientific advisors working with them on this formula. The capsules are also delivered sustainably to you each month. So you get this glass jar, and then each month they send you a refill pack. You just pour that into your existing glass jar, so it creates a lot less waste. And right now for the holidays, they are offering my viewers 20% off your first month's supply. Usually it's 15%, but right now it's 20%. You just have to click the link down below and use the code AnnieJ20 at checkout. And again, that will get you 20% off your first month's supply. So as I did a bit of meal prep for breakfast, I'm going to keep lunch super quick and simple and make myself a smoothie. I usually follow the Fab 4 method, so making sure that I have a source of greens, a source of fiber, fat, and protein. And these 4 combined keep you nice and satisfied. It's also very nutritious. So I love doing spinach as the green, and then I will do ground flax seeds as the fiber, avocado and almond butter for the fat, and some protein powder for the protein. And then I do also love to add in a frozen banana and some frozen wild blueberries for some sweetness. And I love this combination, especially the blueberries with the almond butter. It just tastes so good, and I've been obsessed with this combination. And then a little bit later on, I went out for a walk before dinner. Hello guys, it is a little bit later. It is around 6 o'clock and I'm ready to make dinner. I've showered, by the way. I feel nice and fresh. I love this time of day. Having my shower, winding down, cooking dinner. I just love it. And I'm very excited for tonight's dinner. Before I get started on that, I first want to make some cookies. I actually made this cookie dough last night, and these are traditional Swedish gingerbread cookies. They're called pepparkakor. So if you are from Sweden or from anywhere in Scandinavia, I'm sure you guys know these cookies. They are very traditional this time of year, and I thought it would be fun to try to make them by myself. So I found a recipe. This is the cookie dough. So I'm gonna pop these onto a baking sheet. I'm gonna put them in the oven. They just need to go in for about 15 minutes or so. So I'm gonna do that first, let those cool, and then I'll get started on dinner. Okay, so for actual dinner, we are having roasted potatoes with steamed green beans and some salmon. The potatoes is what is the real star of tonight's dinner. I found this incredible recipe on YouTube actually. I believe his name is Jay Kenzie Lopez, and he has this video on how to get the best roasted potatoes with that beautiful like crispy skin. I made it the other day and it was so delicious. I'm so in love with these potatoes, and this is also something I'm making for our Christmas dinner. So I've been practicing just to get it right. I will also be doing green beans on a Christmas dinner, but it will be a slightly different variation. I just really like these steamed plain. You guys know I call them like little green French fries. I think they're really good by themselves, but I will make them a little bit more fun for Christmas. I can also have that recipe down below for you guys if you want to see. The key here in this recipe is baking soda. He says that if you add baking soda to water, it makes the water more alkaline, and that will actually help to kind of roughen up the skin or the outer surface of the potato, making them a lot crispier. And then some salt. Okay, I just tossed the potatoes in the seasoned olive oil, and he said you want to be kind of rough with the potatoes. So you can see the surfaces look quite soft, so that is going to help the potatoes brown really nicely, and again just have that really great crisp. Okay, the potatoes are out of the oven and they look so good. So now I'm just going to take the garlic and rosemary mixture that we had with the oil. I'm going to put it back with the potatoes, and I'm also going to take some fresh parsley and then just give this a good shake. Dinner is ready. This looks absolutely incredible, and I tasted the potatoes and they are so good. Green beans as well, the salmon, so yummy. Gonna have some tea now and relax. We're gonna watch a show. Update on the gingerbread cookies. They were a little bit too sweet for our liking. This is something else I wanted to make for our Christmas dinner, so it was the first time that I made this recipe, and that is why it's so important to make the recipes beforehand if you do have like an event or a big dinner, so that you know what it's gonna taste like. So I'm definitely gonna adjust it a little bit and not put so much sugar, because you really felt like it was a bit too much. That was the update on that, but it was still nice, but I wouldn't have like a lot, you know, because I think it's kind of like headachy, but it is fun at the same time. Like gingerbread and these pepperkakor, they are so reminiscent of my childhood, and we would always have them over Christmas, so I really enjoyed like tasting all the flavors. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you guys want the recipes all written out, just check down below in the description box. I can actually have all of the things that I will be making for the dinner. In case some of you guys are also hosting a dinner, or you want to bring something to a dinner, then hopefully you'll get some ideas from what I'm making. And it is Christmas dinner, so it's not going to be like super healthy, you know, it's just one day in the year, so all the things that I'm making are a bit more richer and I guess like dense than what I would normally eat on a day-to-day basis. But again, it's Christmas and we're also having my family over, and I really want them to enjoy everything that we're eating, because I can eat very simple. Like, I don't need a lot of sauces, I just enjoy like real healthy simple food. But yeah, we are having my family over, so I want to make sure that everyone is enjoying their food. So if you guys want some inspiration, I will have all the things that I'm going to be making down below in the description box as well. Oh, and the next video that I'm going to be posting will be our wedding video, which is so exciting. It's been a long time coming, so I'm very excited for you guys to see that. That will be up on Sunday. If it's already up, I will have it linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.